says, wait. Gonna be a big hit with this bird now.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, bird. Here you go. Has no idea where it went.
No, I think he knew exactly.
Clever bird. I can't. It's so
Well, you
hard
have to throw it over my head.
No, it won't make it to the bird.
Can we
Here,
do
just
this? Yeah.
here, come over here.
There we go. It's gonna get me.
You might.
Ouch. She might just get me.
Oh.
Here, give me a piece.
Yeah.
Open up.
Yeah, right.
That one tastes pretty good.
It's probably not too. Here, give me another piece. Look,
You gotta let him finish.
I gotta wait to finish it. Oops. Now I'm asking her to give me another one. She'll find it later. That's exactly where I wanted it to go.
Yep.
She's not quite as keen right now.
She's getting sated, is why.
Yeah. Here she comes.
You guys are feeding me so much. I'm so happy.
You might want to save her a little bit for later.
Nah, she'll want to eat it all right now.
Huh?
You know where it went. I know you do.
And she's getting kind of sluggish.
Yeah.
Come on, jump up. Jump up. Come on.
Okay. Another one more.
Jump up.
One more. Because she got 3 or 4 pieces out there she hasn't found yet.
Yeah.
Oh, that was your hair.
There, throw my head in there and she'll like clean me up. Put you see me on the forensic whatever later. Oh, there you go, right to her. Yeah, I think there's a little bit left. There's almost all gone.
There's a little bit left. There you go. Alright, I'm going to get you to jump off that thing and grab the piece out of the air. Ready? Alright, ready? Here we go. Here we go. Lazy bum.
Yeah, she's.
Why should I work for it?
I'm gonna sit here
For the love of. Alright, bird.
Oh, I went over the top.
What are you doing?
I tried to.
Over here.
She's okay. Well,
That worked.
one more.
Alright, bird, I'm going to get you up on the tall point. Ready? See this piece? See this piece? He's looking around like, where's the rest of it? Here we go. Ready?
Yeah, it's a pretty old eagle you see there. Pretty old bird.
Get that mouth open. There you go. You see it. You know what you want.
He says you go get it.
Hey, I'm not the one who can fly. There you go. He knows how to get up there. There he goes.
She.
She does. Get up there. You can do it.
Yeah, I think I'll just get this lump off my chest first.
Swallow it finally, right?
Yeah, she's got a full clout.
Nah, she knows her plan to get up there. She's gonna jump. She's gonna fly back to the other piece of wood. Alright. You ready for another one up there? Here you go. See it?
Not. I just listen to them.
Now, here. Just wanted to get her attention. There we go. That's what we want. Alright, it's going up there. She's like, ah, it didn't drop down. Damn it. Goes, ah, son of a... You gonna go get it? You go get it. Right up there. No. That was the easy one.
What's that? Oh.
2 more pieces. Oh, maybe it did drop.
Yeah, there's a couple scattered about that she hasn't picked up yet.
Who gets to do the last one? Nick? John?
Actually, there's 2 left.
Okay, you guys each do one.
Sure.
Oh, go ahead.
No, it's hard for the camera goes all over the place.
This is not entertainment.
For you? Then Nick do them.
Alright, here you go.
I want you to go in there and give her a kiss after you're done, Nick.
Okay. Hey, where's she gonna go? Alright, I want you to get up on top because I know you can. Oops.
Uh-oh. You may have to go get that one for her. Huh? When it gets rotten, she'll eat it, right?
She's like,
There she comes.
I saw where that went.
There she goes. There she got that one.
Nice bloody fingers. Oh, there was one more I didn't even see. It's like, I'm full, but I'm going to keep eating.
Well, so sleep well tonight.
Yep.
It's going to be a hot day. They get a lot of their water requirements through the food they eat. So.
Because they're from areas that are pretty dry
I'm out.
sometimes.
Sorry,
right?
bird.
You're out? Okay.
We're out.
So, bye, Grace.